Techlife X9, probably the most powerful electric scooter in the world. High-quality hydraulic disc brakes. 2 types of tires to choose from to suit your individual needs. Full charging time, 10 hours. 32 amp-hour LG batteries allow up to 120 kilometers on a single charge. Front and rear shock absorbers. Full LED lighting. We care for your safety. Modifiable display with access to advanced driving options. A maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, up to 100 after modification. 2 driving modes. 2 powerful hydraulic brakes. 2 motors, each with nominal power of 1,600 watts and maximum power of 3,000 watts.